India's economic growth outlook. Moody's projects 6.5% expansion through 2027, remaining one of the world's fastest-growing economies. India's steady growth is fueled by strong infrastructure spending, a robust consumer base, and ongoing economic reforms. However, Moody's warns that private investment remains cautious, slowing the growth rate if structural challenges persist. The forces driving India's growth. India's economic rise is fueled by multiple structural strengths. Infrastructure push. The government's investments in highways, railways, logistics, and green energy projects have boosted employment and productivity. Demographic advantage. With a young population, India's workforce continues to expand, fueling innovation and consumption. Expanding middle class, increasing incomes, and urbanization create a large consumer market, sustaining domestic demand amid global slowdowns. These factors, according to Moody's, will likely keep India's growth rate above that of most major economies, positioning it as a key driver of global economic growth over the next decade. Regional implications. South Asia's economic balance. India's consistent growth has major implications for the South Asian region, offering opportunities alongside competition. For neighboring, a stronger Indian economy could attract more foreign direct investment (FDI) and benefit cross-border trade, but geopolitical issues need to improve. For Pakistan and others, while India's dominance could divert global investors away from smaller economies like Pakistan and Bangladesh, unless these themselves improve their economic stability and regulatory frameworks. As India strengthens its global standing, regional players need to rethink their economic strategies to stay competitive. Key takeaways. Moody's project India's economic growth at 6.5% through 2027, positioning it as a key player in global economic expansion. While challenges persist, India's growth story is transformative. From an outsourcing hub, it's now aiming to become a manufacturing and innovation powerhouse, supported by Make in India, digital infrastructure, and renewable energy initiatives. Balancing infrastructure growth with private sector confidence helps India potentially overtake Japan and Germany by 2030, becoming the world's third-largest economy. Conclusion. India's projected growth reinforces the narrative of India's transformation from being an outsourcing hub to a manufacturing and innovation powerhouse. For neighbors like Pakistan, this is both a warning and an opportunity to rethink their economic strategies and prepare for a new era of regional competition.